workout again here. And I got off work early today. I got off like at 1. So I decided I'd come out and do a little metal tech before it got really super cold. And on my first target here, right off the gate, right off the sidewalk strip, I got me a Boy Scout tie thing. That's cool for Boys Cubs. That's a cool find. I'll clean it up. I'm happy to have that. So, do a Facebook Live shot here. There we go. Alright, let's get some more. Alright guys, can you see it there? Right there. It's probably going to be plain. Let's check it out together. Yep. There's a plaid penny. Alright, let's get some more. Guys, there's the unit I'm hunting right now. I just popped this out of the ground. Not a Tootsie car. An older car. Jet car. Alright, now it's down about 4 inches or so. So far on the sidewalk strip, I haven't found anything but clad. But we'll keep going. See what else we can find. Alright, guys, check this out. Got me a shirts and overalls. Fitzu. I've dug these before. They were overall buttons. Alright, let's get another one. Guys, I started over there where the white car is, and I worked this side of the sidewalk strip. And I dug nothing but clad. I mean, deep clad. I came over here, and my first target over here is this dude. I have no idea what that is. If it's a coin. I see a date on it down there at the bottom. 1955 or something. It's got a hoe in it. Maybe Mexican, huh? Looks like it's got the Mexican logo on it. It's got a hoe in it, 1955. Alright. Not sure for sure what it is, but 1959. Probably a Mexican wheat penny. That's what it is, a Mexican, yep, Mexicana wheat penny. Cool, with a hoe in it. Alright, let's get some more. Hey guys, it's getting kind of late in the game here, but finally got a wheat head. Looks like it may be a 40s model. Alright, let's get another one. Alright guys, Missouri Mike back here with another cleanup. Kind of go through what we found in this hunt. I didn't have much time. I got off work and had a few hours to kill, so I decided that I'd go do a little metal detecting. And like I figured, I'd come up with a bunch of clad here. I got 7 quarters, 6 dimes, several memorials, a ton of zinc pennies, no Indians or anything cool. I did end up with this cool car. Not sure how old it is. I don't think it's just a real old one. I ended up with a 1919S. That's my oldest weedy head. I got a 1955. I got a Fitzu. I believe it says, no, yeah, Fitzu overall snap. That's cool. And I got the Boys Cubs tie clasp. That's cool. That's my first hole, my first dig. Down about 3 inches. That's pretty neat. That's Boys Cubs. Got that. And ended up with the find of the day. Not really. I was scared. I seen that hole in it. The size of the coin come out a little silvery looking. I'm thinking, half cent or trine. But no, it's a Mexican penny. I believe it's 1958, I do believe, or 59. Anyway, something different, and they put a hole in it for some reason. But it's a Mexican 1 center. So you just never know what you're going to dig up. Never know what you're going to find. That meant something to somebody. 1959, Mexican 1 cent. Got the wheat ears on it, just kind of like the U.S. cents. Just a different style wheat ear. I guess it's a wheat ear. Maybe it's a Milo ear. Alright, we will go on. Appreciate you joining me on this hunt. And as always, on to the next one. This is Mike, and I'm out. So what you got so far?
Wheat penny.
Wait, penny? I ain't got any pennies.
Well, I had to follow Mikey over because I just went off and did silver action. I got a quarter right there, it looks like.
Oh yeah, I see it.
See it right there?
Mm-hmm.
And this one I'm pretty sure is silver, Mike.
Looks silver.
Maybe it's not.
Yeah.
Sure got a silver looking edge, doesn't it?
Does to me.
A little squirty squirt to it. Of course, I nicked an edge earlier.
Oh yeah, it's silver.
Is it?
Yep.
What kind of coin is it? Well, I can't tell, can you?
Uh-uh. Is it a token?
Ah, it's got a reeded edge.
Is it? Oh, it's got eagle on the back. It's at least a barber.
Goodness.
Huh? Is it seeded? It's a
It's
seeded.
seeded, oh my goodness.
Wow.
Are you kidding me? That wasn't very deep.
That's unreal.
That is unbelievable.
What's the
Mike.
date on it?
I don't know. It's 3/4. It's an 18. Oh, it's got some. Let me put some squirty squirt on it and let it soak for a bit, guys. But oh my word! Guess what, Mike? I got another signal down in this hole.
You got another one?
I'm gonna look and see what else I can get out of there.
Cool. You know,
Did you start?
Yeah, I started.
Huh?
Good find, dude. 1876.
76.
Cool.
Stick her down there, gonna get some pictures of it.
That's beautiful, man. Guys, I just popped this out of the ground. I don't know what it is. It's super deep. I don't know if you can see anything on it or not, any detail. I don't know if it's a coin. It looks like a coin, but it's so thin. I have no idea on it. Seems like I can see a figure on it, but I don't know what it is. I'll see if I can get something off of it. I ain't real sure it's even a coin. If it is, it's super thin. I don't know. It's weird. It looks like it does have something wrote on it on the back. I don't know if you can make anything out. I'll try to clean it up later and get with you and see what it is. We'll see. Right now we're hunting this place behind me here in town. It's on a Monday, so we're digging in town. So, alright, this is my first item of any consequence, and I don't even know if it's anything any good. It seems like I can see a date on it down there at the bottom. I see a 1 or something, maybe. Alright, let's go on. Guys, I finally done it today. I got me a wheat penny. Never thought it was going to happen. Pulled it out from beside this tree here. 1912. Pretty old one. Alright, I'm happy to have that. Alright, 1912 wheat head. That's my first one today, so I'm happy with that. Let's get some more.
Well, I just called Mikey over with the thumbs up. I opened the hole, you can see it sat right there. And it just fell in. I'm guessing it to be a rosy, but I don't know. It's silver, I think. Isn't it?
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't want to be floored again.
Yeah, Mercury, yeah. Mercury.
Yes, excellent.
What year?
28, it looks like.
Alright.
Is that right? 1928 Mercury dime. I don't know if there's a mint mark. Yeah, there is. A S maybe. Yeah, that's cool. More silver. I'm digging that. See if we can't get something else. Good job.
Alright guys, I just popped this out of the ground. I checked it out already. It looks like another Wheathead, number 2. 1940s. Alright, let's get another one. Hey guys, I'm working out by the driveway here, and well, I think I just got me a valve stem cover. I think that's what that is. Just a super old one. I could be wrong, but I think that's what that is. Alright, let's get something else. Hey guys, check this unit out. We're hunting now. Wow, it's a oldie. Alright, let's see if we can get something. Guys, so far, I've not dug a lot, but this new place we're at, it's after the show on Monday. House is built around 1880, but they've been working on it, as you can tell. But I just got this log, and not real old, but I'm happy to have it, so let's see if we can get some more. Sun's going down. Alright guys, we're in a new spot now. That other spot just didn't pan out, just too much junk there, too much trash. I just got this coin at this new house. Let's see what it is together. I haven't looked at it yet. Oh, it's just a clad. A clad dime. Alright, I found a few of those today. Let's get some more.